All right, guys, how you doing? It's your girl Tiara Charday, and we have a special guest with us this evening. What's your name?
Tajane Simone Cooper.
Dang, she gave you the whole government name. All right, so today what we're gonna do is make some cookies.
Chocolate chip.
So Tajane thinks that I never do anything with her. As the older sister,
She
you can never
doesn't.
say that now. I'm just kidding. All right, so we have set the oven. Actually, let's read our directions before we tell them what we did, so we can make sure we did it right. we preheat the oven to 350.
Yeah, it's on right now.
It's on there. Spoon 2 level tablespoon portions of that. Why they gotta use all them words?
I know.
Of well-chilled cookie dough, about 2 inches apart, onto ungreased baking sheet. That's a lot. I gotta reread that. Spoon 2 level tablespoon.
We don't have that.
Of well-chilled cookie dough. But I'm gonna eat this cookie dough.
Me too. I told her I was gonna eat it.
Let me see.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna show it to you. It's up in there. So. Look, they're good. Goodies. Look at this goodie. Look at this.
Girl.
Me too.
Get 2 spoons out. Get 3 spoons out because we gotta use more.
Well, turn it back to your body, bro. No. I'm so excited. That's my experience, though. Because I love chocolate chip and I love cookies. So, chocolate chip cookies, though, yeah. And this chocolate chip is from Nestle.
Okay. Ungreased pan, clean.
Ungreased?
Oven preheated. Let's take a scoop for ourselves.
It's hard.
Just to, make sure it tastes good for everyone else. Okay, that's enough. You ain't even supposed to have it.
Okay.
Now, how do you want me?
Okay.
Okay. Put that in the sink.
Yummy, my tummy. Tummy big. My tummy big. I like the chocolate chip.
I'm just gonna do it. Alright, man. I don't know what
No one
2
do it.
tablespoons is.
Can I do one?
Yeah. I'm trying to get you to see how big my scoops are, Tasha.
I know.
Before you do anything.
I want cookies. I want big cookies. I want the giant one. So how would we just put
Do you wash your hands?
No.
Germs.
We're gonna make spaghetti.
No, pickles.
What? Pickles? But we haven't made juice out of zucchini.
That shit good far. Not even hot, just cold. I wonder what it tastes like when it's hot.
Let's go look at this good.
Okay, I ain't put them too close. You see how mine are spaced apart?
Don't want to make them too big. Gotta shape them. They're not too close.
Those are too close. To put them together. If you lick your finger, you gotta wash it again.
Oh, this one. Can I have a little bit more?
It's good, ain't it? You already had a big ass scoop. I made it into a ball. Just so it will go on there nice and neatly.
It's good.
Oh, I'm gonna eat this cookie dough.
That's good. This is good.
You know what? We're just gonna do 8.
And just gonna eat the rest.
Girl, come on.
Really good.
You look like you about to eat that.
I was, but I didn't want to eat it. No. 8. And one more.
A little small. You need a little bit more on that.
All right. I'll make these cookies big.
There you go. Take a little piece off of it. Just a little. There you go, right there.
One more. You're too small. I'm going to shape it first and then I'll put it. And then I'll get some more.
You're doing good, sis.
Thank you.
That's good.
I said to eat the rest.
Let's put passionate. Yeah,
I gotta get all the chocolates.
You put them in there, not me. Why you over here trying to eat it? Stop. Tajane, get that off with your hand. And that's a big one. I sound like Tiana. It's a big one. Hold on, Tajane. Wait. Let me show you guys my sister putting it in there. Go ahead, sis. Girl. She said, ooh.